Hey there, guys. Welcome back to another video, another reaction. I'm Sherlock.
Kaylee, and we're back with another episode of Skip and Loafer, episode 2, named Fidgeting and Wondering.
Ooh, y'all, guess what? She said another episode, which is actually incorrect.
My bad.
We did not make a reaction to last week. We were kind of busy with last week, so we didn't get to make a reaction. We watched it though, and we absolutely loved it. Yeah.
Yes, so it's another episode to us, but new to y'all.
New to y'all. We love the first episode though. Yeah, I love the main character.
I relate to her hardcore. I love her.
Yeah, she's pretty relatable. She's funny. It's a really funny. I can tell it's gonna
hilarious.
be a cute show. I can tell it's gonna be. I don't know. It's just everything about it. I just absolutely adored last week. So I'm excited to get into episode 2. A lot of people have been recommending this too.
A lot of people have.
Yeah, as we were leading up to this season, we're like, what's gonna be good? What are y'all recommending to watch? And a lot of people were saying Skip and Loafer, Skip and Loafer. So yeah, let's just get into episode 2. If y'all enjoy this video, then please drop us a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that button down below if y'all enjoy the video, and let's get into the video. Let's go. She's still sleeping.
Zombie.
Yeah. Stayed up all night.
That's pretty.
Is it another banger opening of the many banger openings we're getting this season?
Like, what's with this season and openings?
Yeah.
Like, they're killing it.
Yeah, there's been some banger openings this season. Just banger music in the shows in general. Okay.
This is cute.
Yes.
This show's so cute.
I'm effing with this opening. It's vibing.
Nobody's gonna ask to tell you to go. A joke. I said a
like
goat.
this.
Check out those bags.
No, right? They're intense.
Ambitious.
Why the government? This is...
Was not prepared for that question. Ambitious.
Was not a joke.
Did not hit as a joke.
Stone cold. Hey, I would have appreciated the ambition. Of course, all the girls are like, ooh.
He already is just going hardcore for her, though. That's cute.
I know, I love it.
Small town girl gets Mr. Hot Jock. Like a puppy, cute.
Is that her dog's name?
Maybe.
And he's gonna volunteer right behind her, of course.
And
well, I guess he got self-following. I mean,
is he hitting a 180? Because in the first episode, he was like, I don't even know if I want to go to school.
Yeah, Mr. Delinquent-ish seemed
now
like.
he met small town girl, and he's like, I want to be with her.
Oh, they recognize it too. Oh yeah, she was the one who liked Shima. Karaoke.
They're just using her to get him to go.
Of course.
Oof.
Ooh, she's pretty.
She's cute.
Haven't seen her yet.
Who is she?
Okay, thank y'all for informing us.
Intrigue.
Right on cue.
That was perfect.
Oh, she already instigating. Of course. Hating ho.
Get out her ear, girl. Don't listen to her. But of course she's gonna listen to her.
It's because she wrapping it up in a like nice little package, like she trying to help her out.
And she's so innocent though.
She know what game she playing. Help the girl out. Kind of salty. She hating, bro.
Exactly.
I don't appreciate that kind of hating, especially for against like an earnest girl like her. It's kind of messed up.
For real.
She trying to be casual. The way he was playing those tambourines or that tambourine.
What is he? She's going hard. Trying to get her attention.
Nope, her eyes are still going crazy. Them bags are pronounced.
I don't think she's a social butterfly like this. I think her social battery is being drained.
Yeah. She needs some sleep.
She is so pretty.
Thank
cool.
you. I know. She a real one.
Innocent. I like her.
Yep. Appreciate the realness. Of course, yep. Snake moves in. Snake comes slithering in as soon as you leave the room. Cut your grass, people. She's so cute. She reminds me of somebody. Ooh. She reminds me of Kumin from Chinibyo.
Oh, she does.
The sleepy one.
Oh, called
Bestie,
her.
no. Bestie.
Her senses were tingling.
That's so cute.
I was just about to say why.
RBF. It's the eyes.
Cute.
Music playing in the background is perfect.
I know, right?
Really adds to the moment. That's all she needed. A little call from her best friend. Now she back. Got her confidence up. Yep. Facts. Sing with your heart, girl. This is Tomo vibes, bro. Is this a nursery rhyme? This is major Tomo vibes.
This is.
Yes, this might be the same song Tomo was singing. Yeah, I need to go back to that Tomo episode and see.
She jealous.
She made a friend,
Oh,
a real
yay.
one. And with the super cute girl.
She don't even know how to add people to her contact list. Hasn't had to do it.
Bye bye. The music is perfect for the moments. I think that's what I really liked in the first episode. It just
Of course,
felt
she tried
good.
to hang out with them.
He know what's going up. He know what's going on. Bears that. Ooh, I ain't gonna even say it.
I love that.
Yeah, really don't like her.
He really is a puppy.
Oh. My dog.
At least he thinks it's cute.
He was laughing was hilarious.
Oh, this show is so cute.
The way she's rubbing his head.
Like her puppy, I love it. She's got the popular boy as her puppy.
Meets me. Oh, she got her one too. Aw, did she make another friend? She an influencer.
You go, girl.
Kawaii. Kawaii.
She is the most popular girl. Love it.
That's what confidence will do for you.
She's cute.
Oh, that's what you get, B.
I'm jealous.
I don't like ugly. I like the detail. She had a band-aid on her.
Right? On her foot.
Oh, that's a dude. Oh. Who are you?
I know, right? Is that a student?
Who are you? Oh.
Drama club president.
Is he talking to you? Is he talking to you?
Not at all.
Okay, stare down. Who gonna blink first? Oh, he did.
How cultured.
What does that even mean?
Secret boss. She's making a name for herself.
The secret boss.
He said, "Get away."
He getting territorial.
That's my girl.
Yeah, I can see it.
Of course, he's Mr. Attractive.
Oh, did he used to be an actor? That's the vibes I'm getting.
Who knows? She took it. Ping pong.
Ping pong.
Yeah, pull it together, girl.
Ping pong. Oh, that's why he was in heels.
That's why he was in heels.
Is he in heels again? Oh, no, it's our girl, huh? No?
No,
Some
or is
different
it
girl.
him in a wig? Can't tell.
Oh, I think that, yeah, it is.
She's going to join the drama club?
This was a direction that I did not see coming.
Not at all.
Yeah,
Of course, your boy's there. Ooh, is he jealous?
I'm telling you, he's a former actor or something. He used to be on stage. I feel like something made him this way.
I know, right?
To where he doesn't want to commit to everything he wants.
He is a total mystery.
Seems like he's holding himself back from something. He's like, get them out of here real quick. Hurry up.
Yep.
Nobody else needs to know about that. Dang.
Put him in place real quick.
You have to throw shots like that. Sheesh. Nice.
Okay, good. Okay,
perfect.
good. I want one of those.
I know, that looks kind of nice. This looks like a little soot sprite, but
it
in
is
cat
the
form.
cat. It's so cute.
Adorable. Adorable.
I love her.
Phenomenal. Yeah. Another phenomenal episode. I'm loving this, man.
And we were right that he was a former actor.
Yeah, I definitely caught
you
that one.
You picked up on that
easy.
one quick. As soon as the one dude was like, I know you.
Yeah. The easy connection. I need to know the depths of what he was. It seems like he was pretty deep in and he was pretty good.
I mean, he was TV.
Yeah.
The guy said his dad like recorded all of it. Every episode. So, but he doesn't want to talk about it. So what happened?
He fell off for some reason. I could tell like the way he's like talks and like his lightheartedness about life is just, you could tell that he's holding himself back to try to kind of, I guess, protect himself from something. I think it's going to be pretty emotional probably when we find out.
Probably, for sure.
Yeah, this show, I think you just know when a show is good and when it has those right like tones, emotions, and like surrounding vibes to capture those feelings. And this show, I feel like, has it.
Definitely does.
Like,
I just want to watch it. It's just cute. It's good feeling. Well, right now it's good feelings.
Good feelings, yeah. Yeah, it just lured me in. Like I said, the first episode lured me in. Second episode is definitely carried on and delivered. Just excited for the rest of the season.
I don't want to wait another week.
Yeah, I'm this type of show that I'm not really looking forward to waiting weekly, but also this is going to be a very nice thing to look forward to weekly and keep up with weekly, because you know you have some like feel good, cute show to look forward to every week.
Yeah.
So, yeah, gotta love that.
Definitely.
But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, then please drop us a like. We'd really appreciate that. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Hit that red button down below. Click it, please. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all are having a beautiful day or night wherever y'all are in the world. We will catch you on the flip. Peace. Deuces.